Hi, my name is Amy from Korean Things.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Today we will introduce two Korean conjunction, 그렇지만, 그런데. These two look different and sound different, but they both mean however or but. So today we will show you how you can use this conjunction in order to connect two contrasting independent clauses. The first sentence we are going to look at is, he's rich, but he doesn't spend money. Okay, so we're going to change this into Korean one by one.
그는
He is 그는 and rich is
부자예요.
So we are going to use 요 ending today. But is
그렇지만
there's here again. So 그는 doesn't spend is
안 써요.
안 써요. Money is 돈. And we need objective particle 을. So 돈을. After you switch the word order, it becomes like
그는 돈을 안 써요.
그는 돈을 안 써요. The second sentence we are going to see is Tom studied hard, but he got F. So let's change one by one first. Tom is 톰.
톰은
And we need a subjective particle 은. 톰은. And studied is
공부했어요.
공부했어요. Hard is
열심히.
But is
그렇지만
he again 그는 and got is
받았어요.
받았어요. And object F is F를 we need a objective particle 를. And why don't we switch the word order?
열심히
So 열심히 comes first
Yes.
and verb goes to the end. And also object comes first and verb goes to the end. We just rearrange the word order. And could you read the whole sentence, please?
톰은 열심히 공부했어요. 그렇지만 그는 F를 받았어요.
톰은 열심히 공부했어요. 그렇지만 그는 F를 받았어요. In this sentence, although you change 그렇지만 to 그런데, the sentence means the same. Okay?
네.
So let's change 그렇지만, let's switch 그렇지만 to 그런데. Could you read the sentence again, please?
톰은 열심히 공부했어요. 그런데 그는 F를 받았어요.
톰은 열심히 공부했어요. 그런데 그는 F를 받았어요. This is the sentence we saw earlier, and we also changed 그렇지만 to 그런데. So could you read that sentence again, please?
그는 부자예요. 그런데 그는 돈을 안 써요.
그는 부자예요. 그런데 그는 돈을 안 써요. As you see in these two sentences, 그런데 and 그렇지만 both have the same meaning, which is however or but. However, 그렇지만 sounds a little more formal than 그런데. On the other hand, 그런데 is widely used in daily conversations. So you can only find 그렇지만 in a written language. And we also have another shortened version of 그런데, which is 근데.
그는 부자예요. 근데 그는 돈을 안 써요.
그는 부자예요. 근데 그는 돈을 안 써요.
톰은 공부를 열심히 했어요. 근데 그는 F를 받았어요.
톰은 열심히 공부했어요. 근데 그는 F를 받았어요. 근데 is also widely used in everyday conversation, but you cannot use 근데 in a formal letter or document. We also have a shortened version of 그런데 or 그렇지만. You can use this after you combine a verb or adjective with these conjunctions. So we will show you how to combine adjective or verb we saw earlier with conjunction 그렇지만 first. So you have to add 그렇지만 to the verb stem or adjective stem. We are going to drop 다 ending. So rich is 부자다, but we are going to drop 다, and it was supposed to be 그렇지만 in the first place, but we are going to use only last two syllables, 지만. Then attach 지만 to the adjective stem, then it becomes
부자지만
크다 is tall. And we're going to drop 다, and also we'll drop 그렇 part and attach 지만 at the end, then it becomes
크지만
studied is
공부했다.
공부했다. And we're going to drop 다 ending. Add 지만, only 지만 part. And it becomes 공부했지만. 좋아했다 means liked. But we're going to drop 다 and attach 지만 part. Then it becomes
좋아했지만.
Then let's use these combined versions of phrases for the sentences we saw earlier. Okay?
네.
He's rich, but he doesn't spend money. Is
그는 부자지만 돈을 안 써요.
그는 부자지만 돈을 안 써요. Tom studied hard, but he got F.
탐은 열심히 공부했지만 그는 F를 받았어요.
탐은 열심히 공부했지만 그는 F를 받았어요. 그는 키가 커요. 그렇지만 발은 작아요. 그는 키가 크지만 발은 작아요. As I told you earlier, 그렇지만 sounds a little more formal than 그런데, but these combined versions of 그렇지만 are widely used in daily conversations. Lastly, we will introduce the use of 그런데, which also means however or but. Just like we combined a verb or an adjective with 그렇지만, we can also do the same with 그런데. From now on, let's combine an adjective with 그런데. So what we do is we also drop 다 ending. We are going to only use adjective stem. Okay? Yeah. So 부자. If the last syllable of adjective stem doesn't have any 받침, we attach 니은 받침 to the last syllable and 대. As you see here, the last syllable of 자 doesn't have any 받침. So what we did is we attached 니은 받침, and then we add 대. Then it becomes
부잔데.
크다 is
tall.
and first we drop 다 ending. And this adjective stem doesn't have any 받침, so we also need 니은 받침. And 대. We added 대. Then it becomes
큰데.
And 작다 means small. And we're going to drop 다. And as you see here, 작 adjective stem has 받침. In this case, we need 은대. So attach 은대. Then it becomes
작은데.
높다 is
high
or tall. Drop 다. And 높 also has a 피읍 받침 here. So we need 은대. Then it becomes
높은데.
And the next two words we are going to change is 시끄럽다 and 더럽다. 시끄럽다 is
noisy.
And we are going to drop 다 first. And as you see here, the last syllable of 시끄럽 has 비읍 받침. If the adjective stem has a 비읍 받침, then there is a little change. First, this 비읍 받침 has to be cut off. And next, you have to attach 운대. So it becomes like
시끄러운데.
더럽다 is
dirty.
And we are going to drop 다 first. And also we have to drop 비읍 받침 as well. And then we attach 운대. Then it becomes
더러운데.
Many Korean verbs have 하다 endings. So we have two different 하다. First one is present tense and second one is past tense. You need to drop 다. And this verb stem doesn't have any 받침. So we need 니은 받침 and 대. So it becomes like
한대.
And in case of 했다, we drop 다 first. We need 는대. So it becomes like
했는데.
Why don't we use these combined versions for the sentences we saw earlier? He's tall, but his feet are small.
그는 키가 큰데 발은 작아요.
그는 키가 큰데 발은 작아요. Tom studied hard, but he got F.
탐은 열심히 공부했는데 그는 F를 받았어요.
탐은 열심히 공부했는데 그는 F를 받았어요. Today we only focused on the meaning however or but, which connects two contrasting information. But 그런데 sometimes carries another meaning in a sentence, and we will introduce about it in the next class.
Bye.